What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my studio. I'm Joseph Finchum, you, and today we're going to be looking at the Lachri Artists Group monthly challenge prompt submissions for October. The theme this month was hair-splitting Halloween, so anything having to do with Halloween was acceptable, and we didn't get a lot of submissions, but we got some pretty good ones, and, well, let's take a look at them. Well, there wasn't a ton of work, but there was a lot of great artwork, and I'm very happy that a lot of you have taken the time to submit your entries to the monthly challenge prompt over on Lachri Artists Group on MeWe and Facebook that we do every month. The new one is up, and it is entitled Annual Autumn Art, and I really hope that we'll get a lot more submissions as time goes on. I enjoy doing these videos, and I really appreciate the people who take part in it, and I'd just like to say thank you to you all. Without you, I would not be doing this, and it's your artwork I'm sharing, so if you have the time and feel like doing it, please submit your entries, and they can be included in next month's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Also, here's the one I did.